welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruva and I'm standing at Bangkok airport, and this is the first time I'm making a travel vlog because all the times that I've traveled abroad I've always kept a diary, but this is the first time I'm making a YouTube vlog, so I'm super excited for it. We have a couple of hours to spend over here because we're flying to Phuket, but first I want you to meet someone. Meet my sister. Yay! She's Mansi, and Mansi,
Hi,
what are
guys.
we doing now?
We're going to shop from Victoria's Secret.
Yes, we're excited.
Super excited.
So I'm at Express Spa and meet her. What's your name? Yeah, so she did an amazing back massage and I love this place. So if you're coming to Bangkok airport, visit Express Spa. And it's a little rainy today, so we have decided to stay at the hotel. So I thought of giving you guys a quick hotel tour. So this is the entrance of our hotel, and the hotel has got a very big reception. This is the sitting area or the waiting area. It's a fun place. And as we move forward, there's a cafeteria, a mini bar, and a huge screen where everybody is currently watching football. Let's see what's on the menu. And this is the backyard or the garden area of a hotel, and there are so many orchids here in Thailand and in our hotel as well. And the place is so positive, so green, so pleasant. There are many tadpoles here, and I'm loving all the positive vibes of this place. So I'm in the elevator right now, and I'm gonna take you to the most exciting place of this hotel. So wait for it, guys. It's the pool. It's a little rainy today, as I already said, and there's a mini bar over here as well. And just look at the pool. I can't really wait to swim over here. And this is our room, guys. And then we chilled for a while, and you can see the after effects. So since it has stopped raining, we are on the streets and we've come for some little shopping, and these are my two crazy people. Yeah, that's how they are.
Hi, folks.
Pancake store, and we ordered Nutella banana pancake. So Mansi is gonna tell us how is it.
Yum.
Wow.
So this is where we are having our dinner today, the coffee club. I hope it's great.
So it's an end to day one, and it was an interesting day. We even went to the beach. So guys, I'm really tired today, so I'm gonna hit the bed, and tomorrow we are going to Phi Island.